Before you trust any retirement planner, stop, because most people assume all tools are the same. The surprising truth is that Bolden Retirement Planner combines ease of use with detailed projections, which can make planning your future much more realistic. Bolden allows users to enter income, expenses, savings, and investment accounts to model their retirement timeline. You won't believe what happens next when people see how small adjustments like saving $100 more per month can shift retirement age by years. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They rely only on rough estimates or spreadsheets. Bolden calculates growth, inflation, taxes, and Social Security impacts, giving a more accurate picture. The platform is intuitive. You add your data, choose assumptions like expected investment returns, and it generates visual charts and projections. You can simulate different scenarios like early retirement, healthcare costs, or market fluctuations. The downside is that Bolden does not replace a professional financial advisor. Complex situations may require expert input. However, for most users, it's a reliable tool to make smarter decisions today. The surprising truth about Bolden is that seeing your retirement plan visually can motivate you to save more and make informed choices instead of ignoring the future until it's too late. If this honest review helped you plan smarter, subscribe for more retirement and finance insights.